Welcome to the School District of Philadelphia's Virtual Academy, also known as PVA. We want to make sure that we set you up for success. What does it take to be successful at PVA? It takes time management, self-advocacy, academic skills, the ability to check your email, and an open mind. It all starts with time management, the ability to set priorities for the week, create a weekly to-do list, schedule your time in alignment with what your priorities should be, eliminate distractions, don't put your work off, and make sure you take proper care of your body. Get plenty of rest. Self-advocacy. That simply means being able to ask questions when you're confused, be confident enough to speak up for yourself, and to visit our virtual office where our teachers are there and ready to offer you whatever support you may need. Academic skills. The ability to take notes on lessons or quizzes or readings, to use those notes on your tests and quizzes. Everything that we have is open note, so make sure you do your best. Unless you're told otherwise, it will be open note. Work hard. Use your teacher feedback and comments effectively. Keep in mind that everybody wants you to be successful. Be prepared and read everything carefully. Check your email regularly. It's our main form of communication at PVA. Create a habit of checking your email at the beginning and end of each day, and be sure to respond to your emails. Have an open mind. Be ready to try something new. Always be eager to learn. Possess the ability and desire to continue learning. Our pillars of success are as follows. Maintain pace, stay in touch with your teachers, maintain your grades, and honor the rules of your school. Work 1 hour per day per course, Monday through Friday, in order to achieve success. And always make sure that you're in the green. We'll go through the Genius Dashboard a little bit later. Check your messages daily. Visit the virtual office when you need help. And make sure that you stay in connection with other people through webinars and special events. Maintain your grades. If a teacher gives you an opportunity to resubmit an assignment, please do so. Ask your teachers to explain their feedback and come to the virtual office to review concepts. Read over the PVA policies. Make sure you keep a calendar of important dates and treat others as well as your school property with respect and care, and you will be a very successful virtual student at PVA.